Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing my Rails project. Um, it consists of what I wanted to build pretty much was a similar to I guess a Yelp for Black businesses, Black owned businesses. I found myself struggling a lot to find Black owned businesses. So I was like, why isn't there like an app for this? So I decided to make it. Um, decided to call it Black Owned. Here I am opening it now. So I had three different forms of users. I would have an administrator, which would be me. I have an owner, a business owner who can sign in. And then I also have a user who can sign in. So what I'm going to do is to run Rails S. I'm going to wait for that to load. While I wait, I'm just going to, I guess, continue to explain my application. So I wanted to make sure that everyone could sign in, because obviously if you're an owner, you want to be able to add companies, well, your company and the company's information. And if you're a user, a regular user, you don't have a company, you just want to go to the website, check it out, add things. So I had to make sure I had two different forms of accounts. And then administrator, I wanted to add as myself and just be able to go in and take care of anything like that. So the first thing I'm going to show is a business owner. So I'm going to go to localhost 3000. And as you can see, this is what everyone sees when you first go. You are able to see the businesses. However, if you're not logged in, you cannot actually see what the business is about. You can just see the names of the businesses and search for businesses. Like, let's say I'm searching for Harry's. You can search for Harry's, but if you want to know more about Harry's, you will have to log in. So when you sign up, you are able to sign up as a regular user, or you can also check off, are you an owner? So I'm going to do owner first. I will show that I already have an owner account that I've had before. So I do owner.gmail.com and I'll do password as the password. And when I do, are you an owner, and create user, I do have something that says username has been taken and email has been taken. So you cannot sign up with the same name, same thing for user. However, it's not for admin, because I would be in charge of adding individuals who should be admin. So what I'm going to do is owner 6, because I think I'm up to number 6 with this. Created that, and then password. Okay, and I'm going to create the user. Okay, so this is their profile page. I haven't made any comments yet. I don't have any, I don't follow any companies yet, and I can edit my account as well and change my password. So that's something that I'm able to do. I could also destroy my account. I hid that because obviously I don't want people deleting their account, but they can. So I have all companies here. And as you can see, when I click first company, now I can see more about the company. So first company, about this company, you have their email address, their website. They have 2 followers, which right now I have a show page for that. So you can see who follows this company or loves this company. And then you can see the most recent comments I have about, it only shows up to 5 comments at a time. So if I add a comment, hey, another comment, create, and I do, see, I can only edit my own comment. Hey, another comment. This should be the 6th comment. So this comment should disappear because that's from a later date. And see, that one disappeared. You can see the latest comments, the last 5 comments. If I go to edit and I want to edit, as you can see, I have a nested route that goes from company, it's the first company, comments, and I'm comment 21. If I want to go to comment, I don't know. If I want to go to a different comment, it will redirect me back to that page. So if I do comment, I don't know. Let's hope I do this right, because I think it might be this one. Yeah, it redirects me to this page, but you're not allowed to edit someone else's comment. So next thing I want to show is that I'm able to create a company as an owner. So if I wanted to, let me see, I'm sorry. If I want to create a company, I don't know, any company, we're going to do sugar. I don't know. That's the name of my company. And my email is the email for the company is sugar@gmail.com. The phone number is 716-824 whatever. I'm just pressing numbers, guys. And then I'm going to put a website at http://sugar.com. And I'll have to put www, I think. And then I'm going to put a location of, I'm in New York. So New York. And I'm going to say this company is all about the sweet stuff, right? And I'm going to add that company. Now, this is my company. It has no followers yet, and it has no comments yet. But here you can see that all the information I inputted, and you can see that New York, the location is there. I don't have any list yet because I didn't create any list, and I can also rename and edit this company or delete it. So let's say I want to rename it, Sugar Place. Oh, I forgot, I can update it. It's the Sugar Place. I have the phone number. I have the website. It is a link. I don't know if this is the actual website. It might be. I'll wait for that to load. But yeah, and you could get directions because it uses the Google API. And yeah, so if I create a list, because I don't have any list yet, sugary stuff. This is my personalized list for my website. I mean, my name. I can rename it and destroy it. And I go back to search companies and I say, you know what, I want to add Harry's to my list. I would add sugary list. I will add to my list. And now I have Harry's on my list. I could also delete Harry's. So that's pretty much how an owner works. They could create a list and create a company and follow and unfollow companies just like a regular user. And that's the main difference between a user and an owner. Pretty much an owner has the capability of creating a company and a user does not. So I'm going to log out and act like a user. Oh, well, I can also log in via Google. But for now, I'm just going to log in as a user because that's my user account. Log in. And so when you look at this here, you'll see I can no longer create a company. Even if I do company/new, it will redirect me. I'm not able as a user to create a company. I can look at them. We just created Sugary Place. So I'm going to follow them. So now they have a follower. And I'm going to leave a comment. And as you can see, I cannot edit this. I cannot edit a company either. I'm going to add it to I have a couple lists already. I have C's second list. So I'm going to add it to second list. Look, I have Sugary Place. I have a couple more places on here now. I'm going to go back. I'm going to add a comment. This place is the bee's knees. I don't know how to spell knees. Oh, that's unfortunate. And yeah, I'm going to create that comment and I'm the first comment. So now you can see they have one comment, they have one favorite. And yeah, so that's how a user works. They also have their own profile that shows like their recent comments, and it also shows like their list that they have, and they could go in. I can also view someone else's list, but I can't edit it. So if I went to list, I don't know, 3, I can look at A's list, but I can't delete it. You can't edit this list. Actually, I'm going to get rid of this button, but still, you cannot edit this list. You can view someone else's list because it's possible that you might go to someone else's list or somebody else's profile page and be like, hey, I really wonder, let me see. I really wonder. See, I'm on this person's page and you see their recent comments and everything, but you cannot edit anything on their page at all. You could just go visit companies and things like that. So that's what I did. And then I also created an admin. So as an admin, you can pretty much, I use the Rails admin gem. So if I visit /admin, I have control over all this. So I can delete favorites and follows and delete users, and I pretty much have control over everything as an administrator. I could change a user to be I can update a user pretty much to be a owner or an administrator. I can update it, and that's pretty much what I'm able to do. See if I check off owner or administrator, it makes them admin or not, and that's pretty much what admin does. It's great. because then I can make people, help update the site. So that's pretty much my project, and I am glad that I was able to build it. All right, let me log out and stop.